Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Architecture Modernization, Socio-technical Alignment of Software, Strategy and Structure, written by Nick Toon with Jean-Georges Perrin.
Modernizing architecture is a comprehensive process that links it to business outcomes. It's an evolutionary journey that helps avoid the pitfalls of outdated legacy architectures, which are costly and unreliable. Nonetheless, modernization requires significant time and financial investment. Persisting with legacy systems can lead to a vicious cycle of deteriorating system health, escalating modernization costs, and increased reluctance to invest. Modernization is often viewed as a technical process, like Netflix's shift to microservices. However, to fully benefit from modern architecture, leaders need to consider more than just technologies and patterns. They should understand the factors that contribute to a high-performing organization, such as quality improvements, business outcomes, faster learning, safety, and employee happiness. Independent value streams, IVS, are crucial for modern architecture and maximizing modernization ROI. IVS have key characteristics. They are domain-aligned, business outcome-driven, owned by empowered teams, and software-aligned. These characteristics enable better value, sooner, safer, happier, BVSSH. The subsequent chapters provide detailed explanations of these concepts, supported by practical techniques like event storming and Wardley mapping, as well as real industry examples. Tools like CodeScene can help visualize change coupling and are essential for architecture modernization. Architecting at multiple scopes is important for global optimization. Independent value streams reduce unnecessary coupling, but still have some level of dependency. Collaboration among teams is necessary for building large products. Organizations should be seen as networks of interconnected value streams. Modernization is a gradual process that takes time, but it doesn't have to wait years to start delivering value. Instead of treating it as a project with a fixed plan, an evolutionary approach is more effective. This approach involves continuously improving the architecture and roadmap based on feedback and delivering value within the first few months. To make the most of modernization, organizations should adopt a portfolio mindset. This means not every subdomain requires the same level of effort and complexity. By using tools like the Modernization Strategy Selector, organizations can identify the best areas to invest in and prioritize their modernization efforts. To address challenges like losing momentum or struggling to start modernization, organizations can form an Architecture Modernization Enabling Team, AMET. This team supports other teams and focuses on sustainable improvements even after modernization is complete. This book provides a toolkit of principles and techniques that can be freely used and adapted to your organization's needs. While it uses specific terminology, you are not required to adopt it and can translate it to your organization's terminology.
Get this book at manning.com